This sir from Vivekananda Bright Future Academy is going to discuss another video, and it is on joining with adjective clause. Hope all of you are well. Please listen to my video till the end. Don't stop the video in the middle point. If you stop the video, you will not understand it properly. If you come for the first time to my channel, you must not forget to subscribe it. If you do so, my next video will reach to you easily and immediately. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, and of course never fail to share the video. If you share the video, then others also will be able to know the video. Let's start our video and listen to my video carefully. If you are able to understand it, I will be lucky to present it to you. A clause is a group of words containing a subject and a verb. It can be a complete sentence or part of a larger sentence. Types of clauses, we can say independent or principal clause, dependent or subordinate clause. There is also a clause named coordinate clause. It also an independent clause. And the subordinate clauses are of three types: noun clause, adjective clause, adverbial clause. For example, we can say I will call you when I reach home. Here I will call you independent or principal clause. When I reach home, dependent clause or subordinate clause. We can say other example also. This is the place where I was born. This is the place, principal clause. Where I was born, subordinate clause. Today our discussion is joining sentences using adjective clause. Before going to the main topic, we should know what is adjective clause. An adjective clause does the work of an adjective. Is adjective? In English grammar, an adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or a pronoun, providing more information about its qualities, characteristics, or attributes. For example, we can say a beautiful sunset, a red car. Relative clauses or adjective clauses are often introduced by relative pronouns like who, which, that, or whose, or relative adverbs like where, when, or why. Please come to the main point. We are going to joining of sentences with adjective clause. In my first example, the student is very nice person. Number 2 sentence, he comes from Japan. Using adjective clause, we can say that the answer is the student who comes from Japan is a very nice person. You must remember the relative pronoun who is used after the noun the student. That is to say, it modifies or gives identity to the student. So we can say the student who comes from Japan is a very nice person. Number 2 example, the theft was committed last night. The police has caught the man. The police has caught the man who committed the theft last night. Number 3, the French language is different from the Latin language. Latin was once spoken throughout Europe. We can say this sentence using adjective clause. The French language is different from the Latin language, which was once spoken throughout Europe. Number 4, you are looking upset. Can you tell me the reason? Can you tell me the reason why you are looking upset? Next, we can say number 5, the car has a bad engine. I bought it last month. So, using adjective clause, we can say the sentence is, the car that I bought last month has a bad engine. Here, that I bought last month is an adjective clause. Next, number 6. We sent a package to our relatives. They live in Delhi. We sent a package to our relatives who live in Delhi. Here, who live in Delhi is adjective clause. We are going to discuss joining using adjective clauses. Number 7. We saw the woman at the grocery store. She lives next door to us. We can say the joining is, we saw the woman who lives next door to us at the grocery store. Here, who lives next door to us is an adjective clause. Number 8. A fox once met a crane. The fox had never seen a crane before. A fox which had never seen a crane before once met a crane. Number 9. The man was sick. He looked very pale. The man who looked very pale was sick. Here, who looked very pale was sick. Who is a relative pronoun, identifies the man. Number 10. We are studying sentences. They contain adjective clause. We are studying sentences which contain adjective clause. Here, which contain adjective clause is an adjective clause. So, you should know and must remember that the joining of simple sentences using adjective clause is not at all a difficult one. It is a most easy one. If you try to understand it, you must understand it. So